यारा कभी इश्क तो करो.
Do you feel scared of falling in love?
Yes, I am green flag.
I want a green flag with some red dots. अच्छा, तो गर्लफ्रेंड के बारे में मम्मी को बताते हो, बात करते हो?
They are very chill about it like that.
What are 3 things that you can say in bed and while making coffee?
It's strong,
I would like some extra milk.
delicious.
I'd like it to be 2 shots.
Oh, oh, nice.
Hi Vishal.
Oh, hi. Khushi. Sorry, Janvi. I'm so sorry.
आप अपनी डेट का नाम भूल जाते हो?
जैसे डेट टाइम पे आना भूल गई, मतलब 1:30 बजे का टाइम था.
फैशनेबली लेट तो अलाउड
फैशनेबली. अच्छा, फैशनेबली.
हाँ, like fashionably.
Greens.
I'm a green flag, no?
I hate green. Yeah, like it gives me like.
तो मैं
little-
जाऊँ चेंज करके?
नहीं प्लीज आप रुके. आप अच्छा आपने कपड़ा लाया है मतलब?
नहीं बट
नहीं तो फिर मुझे फिर और वेट करना पड़ेगा ना. आई थिंक दैट्स अ रेड फ्लैग.
बट आजकल तो सभी रेड फ्लैग है.
हाँ बट यू नो आई डोंट प्रेफर, लाइक आई डोंट नो वेयर इज दिस, लाइक व्हाई आर वी हियर.
तो फिर मैं जाऊँ?
नहीं आप बैठो ना, प्लीज हम बात करते हैं. या आई एम वेरी शाय.
यू वेरी शाय.
Yeah.
इसलिए चश्मा पहन के आके छुपा रहे हो?
आई वाज एट समवेयर लास्ट नाइट.
अच्छा, तो क्या कर रहे थे, किसके साथ थे रात को?
हम इतनी जल्दी भी नहीं घुस सकते ना, बिकॉज़ दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट मीट, यू नो.
नहीं
सो आई
बट
डोंट थिंक वी शुड.
तो मैं तो रेड फ्लैग हूँ एंड यू डोंट लाइक ग्रीन.
Yeah, no, I don't like green color. Yeah, but it's looking good on you. This polka dot and thing. I like the bag. Yeah, yeah. It's
I
really cool.
carry my heart in my hand, not on my sleeve.
Wow.
But
Why? Sure, that's cool.
हाँ,
Well, yeah.
you're not carrying any hearts. ठीक है, मेरे लिए कोई दिल की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
What do you think? What's your choice in?
What?
This is red flag.
What's my choice in what?
How you would like want your man to be? So I just want to know that.
I want a green flag with some red dots.
Oh.
थोड़ा सा टॉक्सिक जरूरी है ना.
For
तो थोड़ा ड्रामा नहीं हो तो
drama
मजा
नहीं
नहीं
तो
हो.
मजा नहीं होगा.
लड़कियाँ कैसी पसंद है?
मुझे झल्ली लड़कियां बहुत पसंद है. झल्ली या like बोहो.
Okay guys,
So,
मेरे को जरा कोई 2-4 ब्रेसलेट्स दे दो, मैं कर लेती
बोहो
हूँ.
थोड़ा सा बोहेमियन वाइब.
बाल खराब कर
कोई
लूँ तो
गलत-
प्रॉपर झल्ली लगने के लिए.
नहीं, I don't think झल्ली is बाल खराब.
और थोड़ा सा भी अब तो-
झल्ली is not combing your hair like for like 2 days and getting those curls.
I actually don't comb my hair.
Yeah, then
I
how
hate
come
it.
it's so straight?
यार बस क्या करें, ट्रीटमेंट्स है ट्रीटमेंट्स.
Yeah.
नो I had wavy hair but अभी मैंने से hair treatment
But yeah,
कराया,
this
तो-
is quite bohemian.
This
Your
ना, हाँ.
piercings, yeah.
So
I
चलो
like
एक
them.
चीज टिक मार्क कर दे.
I like them. Yeah, it's really cool. I think we are like doing a lot about me. We should talk about you.
बट मुझे पहले ये बताओ, आप किससे ज्यादा क्लोज हो, मम्मी या पापा?
है एक आंसर मेरे दिमाग में, बट ठीक है चलो जैसे मम्मा. Because I think she's the one with whom I am sharing my like lot of things. With Papa, of course there's a lot of love and respect, but you know थोड़ा सा वो आ जाता है ना कि नहीं.
अच्छा, तो गर्लफ्रेंड्स के बारे में मम्मी को बताते हो, बात करते
You
हो?
know, even my father knew about a lot of the people I was going out with. Not exactly dating,
Okay.
but yeah. So they knew. Then they are very chill about it like that.
Oh, nice.
What about you?
I mean, I am close to my mom more than my dad.
Why are we like doing this to our dads? I don't know. है ना?
अच्छा, और ये अपनी जुल्फे कैसे संभालते हो यार? तुम्हारी जुल्फे बड़ी अच्छी हैं.
यार जुल्फे मैं बिल्कुल नहीं संभालता.
मुझे अच्छा
That's the
लग रहा है वो
thing.
एक इतना सा कर्ल आ
हाँ,
अच्छा
और
लग रहा
मेरे को लगता है जब आप संभालोगे ना तो ऐसे नहीं बनते फिर.
है. You also don't comb your hair out?
I don't comb my hair. After like coming from a shower, I just do, बाल गीले रहते तो I just do this. I
ऐसे,
put-
हाँ,
yeah,
बस.
That's it. But अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं.
I know you create content.
Yeah.
And you act also, but what kind of content do you watch?
Sometimes I like brain rot. Like complete brain rot, disaster, garbage
Like what?
content. you know, just flying, someone is flying, you know, ऐसा करके कोई fly कर रहा है. This फातिमा के पापा नहीं, something पापा का कुछ चल रहा था बीच में. दुआ के पापा.
Oh yeah.
And Ganji Chudel.
Oh, I love Ganji Chudel.
Yeah, see, Ganji Chudel. And I love Pooja Mishra, dude.
Oh my God. I think Pooja Mishra के जो reels का content है उसके जो memes बनते हैं.
She's best. Pooja Mishra, Rakhi Sawant, I enjoy a lot.
Oh, I love Rakhi.
Same. I think no one can do entertainment better than Rakhi Sawant.
Yeah,
We have to give it to her.
I also like Urvashi.
Urvashi to is a genius.
I love Urvashi Rotella.
Yeah, she's a genius. Like I would like take like 2-3 points from like how are you doing it? Like where is this coming from? Apart from that, okay. Then apart from that, I think this you're a kind of girl who would do ice dunk and all.
कुछ नहीं. For the last 3 nights, I've been going to sleep without taking my makeup off.
I'm guy, but I know this is so bad. You shouldn't do this.
Of course you know this.
Yeah.
I think all actors know this and I'm like, मैं इतनी खराब हूँ, मैं नहीं कर पाती हूँ.
So I want to ask you one question.
हाँ, पूछो ना.
I would not judge you, but I would decide like.
Oh, ये decision making moment है. Okay.
Whether we can go on second date or not.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Are you a like liner girl or a kajal girl?
Okay, so I love Kajal.
Yeah, but you're a liner girl.
But I'm a liner girl because my under eye area
Yeah.
is slightly oily. तो जब भी मैं काजल लगाती हूँ bleed हो जाता है and then I end up with the panda eyes. So as much as I love Kajal, I am stuck with a liner.
But I think you would look great in kajal.
I do.
Like both the things, like both cold eyes, you would look really nice.
I know it looks so beautiful, but वो
it
पूरा
looks
bleed
great
हो
on dusky
जाता
skin
है.
as well, na? Dusky skin पे तो yeah.
So you like dusky skin?
I love dusky skin.
Compliment ले लिया मैंने.
मैं indirectly दिया मैंने.
हाँ, direct देने से ego hurt हो जाएगा ना आपका.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है.
ये क्या है?
Ego जल्दी hurt नहीं होता मेरा.
हाँ, तो फिर अच्छे से compliment दो.
No, I like dusky color a lot.
Nice.
Yeah.
तो मतलब
See, I'm a huge Deepika Padukone fan. What else can you expect?
कितने boxes मैंने check mark कर दिए?
Quite a lot, man.
हाँ.
Yeah.
बचा क्या है अभी?
मैं बस बता नहीं रहा हूँ, but you have like ticked quite a lot of boxes.
Oh.
Yeah. Are you matcha girly?
I am actually.
I see, now I can judge you.
But listen, even before matcha became a trend, I have been having
But
matcha for
matcha
the
is
last.
great.
I've been having matcha for the last 2 years now. Like I swear by matcha.
As much as I love this matcha and all, but I'm a like hardcore घर की चाय का
I love.
kind of guy.
I can't wake up without chai.
Have you watched Dhadak?
धड़क तो मुझे देखनी है.
We can go like together, no?
Second date.
Yeah. Like not second date.
We can continue this date, na?
Yeah. After a year, we can go to.
I don't mind.
Dhadak too, yeah.
I like the idea.
Yeah, same. Like, what do you prefer, like खाने में?
Anything spicy. मैं मीठा नहीं खा सकती.
अच्छा.
बट जैसे हम खाने की बात कर रहे हैं, तुम साथ साथ में कॉफी बनाने चले.
हाँ यार.
क्योंकि मैंने सोचा कि हम कॉफी ले क्यों हम बनाते हैं ना.
Done. Let's go.
So lovebirds.
Oh, yeah. We're trying.
हाँ ऐसा लग रहा है तुम्हारी वाइब से.
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ.
See.
अब तो चश्मा उतार दो.
अब निकाल दो ना.
अच्छा तुम लोग ये करो मैं आता हूँ.
अरे we need your help.
बट अबे बता के तो जाओ कैसे बनानी.
बनाना हो रहा था मतलब पता नहीं.
Okay. No PDA. Sorry.
We'll try.
Okay then. So today we're making a cold foam house coffee.
Wow.
Okay.
My favorite.
Specialty at the Truffle guys.
Okay.
She loves it. So we start with the milk. Obviously.
Okay. Bringing the highest quality of milk here.
Yeah, it is the highest quality. He knows it.
Yeah, I know it.
Provlac for the way, na? Protein
Yeah,
milk. Best protein milk.
110%. Yes.
Okay.
This is not protein.
Yeah, this is but very nice.
A2.
It is very nice.
वो मेरे साथ डेट है.
So my job here is done or
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can go now.
हाँ ये.
कॉफी टेस्ट करके तो बताओ कैसी लगी आप लोग.
हाँ.
Cheers.
To the third wheel.
She is the third wheel after that.
मैं जाती हूँ. It's okay. मैं चली जाती हूँ. You guys continue.
Great.
It's crazy.
I'm glad you like it.
सच में.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank
so
you.
y'all can continue whatever y'all are doing. And
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Hi, thank God. डेट चुराने के लिए लड़के आ गए भाई.
डेट संभालने के लिए आया था, like you know, bro code.
मैं चाहती थी तुम सुनो. अच्छा अब मुझे एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज जाननी है.
जी.
What are 3 things that you can say in bed and while making coffee?
Oh, nice. It's strong. Yeah.
I would like some extra milk.
That's nice. See, oh my god, that's really nice. And third would be delicious.
Ooh. I'd like it to be 2 shots.
Oh, oh, nice. We
Oh my
can go
God,
for
my
another
cat is-
espresso shot.
Yeah, I'd like 2 shots of espresso.
Nice, but that's nice.
Yeah. अभी चल
No,
के
no.
बैठते हैं और वहीं पे कंटिन्यू
Yeah, I
करते हैं.
think getting this conversation to
ये काफी हॉट एंड स्पाइसी हो रहा है विद कोल्ड फोम.
इतनी अच्छी कॉफी बनाई आपने कि मैं ऑलमोस्ट खत्म कर चुका हूँ.
हाउ नाइस.
Yeah, I'm back with my glasses also.
निकाल दो यार आंखें
इसी
देखनी
इसी
है
इसी
मुझे.
इसलिए इसलिए बोला था आप ही निकाल लो. And this is what I wanted. Nice.
नए तरीके.
नए तरीके. Yeah.
बट
Yeah.
आई वाज सो केयरफुल निकालते हुए टच नहीं किया.
तो उसको ना मुझे कि उसको ग्लासेस को
तुम्हें
तो कर सकते थे, कुछ सीन नहीं था.
कैसे?
लाइक ऐसे उंगली यहाँ करती यहाँ भी आ
ऐसे.
सकती है.
वापस वापस.
वहाँ पे कर लेते हैं. We'll do it again. What touch?
नहीं
Yeah.
अब हुआ
I
थोड़ा.
can feel it.
स्पार्क्स फील हुए.
Yeah. कुछ तो छूटा करंट.
उफ.
Yeah. So the lightning also going this.
लाइटिंग भी ऐसी हो गई ना.
हाँ. Dim सी.
हार्ट ब्रेक्स होने के बाद अभी लाइक डू यू फील स्कैर्ड ऑफ फॉलिंग इन लव?
Like I told you, yes.
डर लगता है.
110%. Yeah. But I might change today. Yeah.
माय चेंज टुडे.
Yeah. We'll see.
डर नहीं लग रहा है आज?
नहीं आज I'm just vibing it. I'm just getting the
वाइब
vibe.
चेक कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
Since we're talking about vibe check,
Yeah.
I want to know, do you know Gen Z dating terms? You don't?
I don't.
You more Gen Z than I am.
I am Gen Z. By born, I am Gen Z. But I don't know. See, I listen to Jagjit Singh Chaudhary ki Chand and all, right?
Oh, that's your playlist.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love ghazals. I love old Bollywood music. Kishore Da and everyone.
Kumar Sanu.
Kumar Sanu and stuff. And
Lata
ghazal.
Mangeshkar.
Main तो ghazal का I'm fan. मतलब crazy. वो जगजीत सिंह का अगर आपने गाना नहीं सुना तो please go.
मैंने सुना है.
Oof.
I am a hardcore Bollywood girl.
So I am like that. I was loving it.
Have you heard Barbad?
After that, I was coming on that. After that, when I heard the whole album, I was like, this.
My
was-
favorite is Dhun.
Yeah, Arijit, but my favorite is Barbad. I like the lyrics of it.
Yeah.
I'm far from you just because of you. I don't
Yeah,
want to hurt
yeah,
you. I like that.
हाँ,
Barbad is good.
Yeah, Dhun and Barbad दोनों are like my.
Yeah.
तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या
मेरे
है?
को चटपटे गाने भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? मैं क्या करती हूँ, अगर मुझे कोई गाना अच्छा लगा है वो लूप पे चलेगा.
सेम. मतलब जितने मैं इसमें बोर ना हो जाओ ना 20 दिन
जब
सुन
तक
के.
मेरे साथ कान दुख नहीं रहे ना
हाँ,
वो
तब
गाना
तक
सुन
same.
के, हाँ तो वो
और
चलेगा.
ऐसा भी नहीं कि अभी एक नहीं मैं वापस उसको स्टार्ट से वापस सुनूंगा.
हाँ.
वही चलेगा.
और अगर मुझे किसी ने बीच में प्रोसेस में डिस्टर्ब कर दिया
फिर से भाई फिर स्टार्ट से सुनना
Starting
पड़ेगा.
में
म्यूजिक मिस कर दिया. सेम चटपटे गाने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Like what?
रॉकिंग यारा कभी इश्क तो करो. फिर कॉलर ट्यून baby.
Oh, I like
so this is like old Bollywood.
Oh, I like those songs like रात के ढाई
बजे कोई शहनाई बजे.
Oh my god.
Love that. Eh, udi. So this is.
Oh,
So this is all-
that is actually my song on my bio.
Yeah. Eh, udi. I was just coming. मैं यही सुनते हुआ आ रहा था.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you were listening to my song.
Yeah, see, it's all connected.
The universe is alive.
Yeah.
Do you believe in like universe and like manifestation?
Hardcore.
Really?
Manifestation hardcore.
Oh, wow.
I believe there's a frequency of universe which you have to match.
How many tattoos do you have total?
4.
Oh.
You? The one I can see here.
I have 7, I think.
Okay.
So there's this.
तो लड़कियां छोटे-छोटे टैटूज भी बहुत कराती है ना. This is nice, yeah.
Yeah. Then I have this.
Stars.
Yeah, there's this. ये तो अभी मुझे रीटच अप करवाना है वापस से. ये खराब हो चुका है. Then I have one here.
Yeah.
So that's a quote in Italian. It's from a movie called The Age of Adeline.
I've heard about this movie.
Yeah, the original quote is actually from a book called The Food of Love.
Okay.
So it says, yours, lovers, and glasses of wine. These are things that you must not count.
Wow.
Okay, but if you get my name tattooed, I will panic and I will run.
Yes,
to the
same. I'm
hills.
like, dude, I think she's like obsessed.
Yeah,
She's
I
obsessive.
think it's creepy.
See, लेकिन I think till some extent it's good. Like I'm a Scorpio.
Dude.
So I'm
Dude,
like,
wait. I'm a Scorpio too.
oh, October,
what?
November.
November.
Same.
Date?
21st.
You're a cusp.
I'm a cusp.
11/11.
Dude, I was just thinking, मैंने सोच रहा था कि मेरे को ये वाला डेट क्यों नहीं मिला 11/11.
11/11. मिल
Anyway,
जाए.
it's very lucky also because if you count like 11 and 11, it's 2 plus, it's 2 and 2.
Yeah.
So you are bound to like do great things in your life.
So, आपको 11/11 डेट नहीं मिला but मिल गए. डेट मिल गई 11/11 वाली.
Oh, nice. She's smooth.
Okay, so you have to tell me if you know these terms. If you don't, then I will be your guide. And
Gen Z guide?
I will teach you
A
everything.
Gen Z guide who's millennial.
हाँ.
You're millennial, but
I'm a through and through millennial.
I am Gen Z by birth, but my whole fucking thinking system, my every system in my body is like millennial.
Full millennial.
Full millennial. I can't relate to Gen Z people. I don't know. Even so many content creators are promoting this Gen Z term. I don't want to name them. Very big ones.
अच्छा मुझे बता तुम मुझे सॉफ्ट लॉन्च करोगे हार्ड लॉन्च करोगे
We'll do hard launch.
कैसे
सीधा शादी की फोटोज.
ये कुछ ज्यादा हार्ड लॉन्च
Crazy launch ना bro. या तो सीधे बच्चे के साथ.
नहीं ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया
हाँ।
ये ज्यादा ही हार्ड लॉन्च
Soft launch ऐसा कि मतलब I would want people to know that I am seeing someone, but I wouldn't want them picking their nose. तो मैं जो उसकी identity थोड़ी सी hide करके रखूँगी.
अच्छा तो तुम सॉफ्ट लॉन्च में कैसी पिक्चर्स दोगे
I'll be very dependent on my
you
girl.
also have to give me ideas no ऐसे नहीं चल सकता
So we'll
should we
do
do like
like this and this. Yeah, this is good. This is good soft
ऐसे
launch, na?
करें? soft launch
Yeah.
manifest card see what do you think about this
You manifested me.
yeah manifested my soft
This
launch
kind of soft launch is good.
है ना? This is nice,
Yeah,
no?
very nice. अच्छा हमारे पास कुछ है ऐसे खाने के लिए.
हाँ.
हमारे पास एक सेवरी और एक स्वीट है तो मैं आपको सेवरी खिलाता हूँ because you like.
do you like sweet
I like sweet. I can have it for you.
अच्छा oh
Yeah, I'll have it for you.
ठीक है तो मैं मीठा खिला देती हूँ
Sweet cravings. Okay. 1, 2. Nice.
बहुत हाँ
See you back. Yeah. That's nice.
Hmm.
Hmm?